Ever wonder why some aquariums stay crystal clear, algae-free, and full of healthy fish, while others fall apart fast? You see those pristine tanks on the internet and wonder, what's their secret? Well, I'm here to tell you, it's not rocket science. Today, I'm going to show you the best freshwater aquarium maintenance schedule and why keeping a simple log or journal could be the game changer you've been missing. Whether you've got a 10-gallon betta tank or a full-blown planted community setup, this video is for you. If you find no-frills advice like this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip from Fred's No Frills videos. All right, folks, let's talk about those daily tasks. We're talking just a few minutes to make sure your finned buddies are living their best lives. First things first, take a good look at your fish. Are they swimming normally? Any signs of aggression or unusual behavior? You know your fish best, so trust your gut if something seems off. Jot down any observations in your tank journal. Next, it's feeding time. But hold your horses, don't go dumping a whole week's worth of food in there. A good rule of thumb is to only feed what your fish can eat in about 1 to 2 minutes. Overfeeding is a surefire way to foul up your water, and nobody wants that. While you're at it, take a quick glance at your equipment. Is the filter humming along nicely? Heater doing its job? Lights working properly? A quick visual check can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Remember, we're all about prevention here. Now, this is where that handy-dandy tank journal comes in. Jot down the date and just a quick note about your observations. Did the fish seem extra hungry today? Did you notice any changes in their behavior? These little details might seem insignificant now, but trust me, they'll be invaluable down the line. Think of it like this. You wouldn't drive your car for thousands of miles without checking the oil, right? Your aquarium deserves the same level of care. These daily check-ins help you stay in tune with your tank and catch any potential issues early on. And hey, while you're at it, why not take a moment to just enjoy your aquarium? Watching your fish swim peacefully can be a great way to de-stress after a long day. So to recap our daily routine, observe your fish, feed them sparingly, check your equipment, and jot down any observations in your tank journal. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll tackle those weekly tasks. All right, folks, welcome back. We tackled those daily tasks, and now it's time to roll up our sleeves for the weekly tune-up. Don't worry, this isn't a full-blown overhaul, just a few key tasks to keep your aquarium sparkling and your fish thriving. First up, let's talk water changes. Aim for a 25 to 30% water change every week. Siphon out the old water, give the gravel a gentle vacuum, and add in that nice, clean, dechlorinated water. Your fish will thank you for it. And while we're on the subject of water, this is the perfect time to whip out your trusty water test kit. We're checking for things like ammonia, nitrite, nitrate, and pH levels. These parameters are crucial for maintaining a healthy aquatic environment, so don't skip this step. Now let's talk about those pesky algae. Grab your algae scraper and give the aquarium glass a good scrub. Trust me, it's much easier to clean a little bit every week than to let it build up into a green mess. And while you're cleaning the glass, take a peek at your plants and decorations. Give them a gentle wipe down if needed, and maybe rearrange them a bit to keep things interesting for your fish. Now, back to that trusty journal of yours. After each weekly maintenance session, jot down the date, the amount of water you changed, your water test results, and any observations about your fish or plants. This log becomes an invaluable reference point, allowing you to track trends and spot potential problems early on. So let's recap those weekly tasks: water change, gravel vacuum, water testing, algae scrubbing, and of course, updating that all-important aquarium journal. Now we're cooking with gas. Welcome back, aquarium enthusiasts. We've covered our daily and weekly tasks, and now it's time for the monthly checkup. A slightly deeper dive into keeping your watery world in tip-top shape. Think of this as giving your aquarium the VIP treatment, ensuring everything is running smoothly and addressing any potential issues before they become major headaches. First on our list is filter maintenance. Once a month, give your filter media a gentle rinse in used aquarium water. Never tap water. This removes accumulated debris and helps maintain optimal water flow. While you're at it, take a look at your filter's impeller. This little guy is responsible for circulating water through the filter, so make sure it's clean and spinning freely. A quick wipe down with a soft cloth usually does the trick. Next up, let's give those plants some love. If you've got a planted tank, now's the time to trim any overgrown stems and remove any dead or decaying leaves. A little pruning goes a long way in maintaining a healthy and aesthetically pleasing aquascape. And while you're in there, take a moment to rearrange your decorations. Fish can get bored, just like us, so changing things up a bit keeps their environment stimulating and encourages natural foraging behavior. Now, let's talk about the often overlooked aspect of aquarium maintenance: equipment inspection. Once a month, take a close look at all your equipment, including the heater, lights, air pump, and any tubing or connections. Check for any signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, leaks, or corrosion. By incorporating these monthly tasks into your routine, you're creating a stable, healthy, and engaging environment for your fish to thrive. A good aquarium journal is like a mechanic's logbook. It gives you a record, a reference, and peace of mind. By tracking your maintenance, water parameters, and any changes you observe, you'll be able to spot patterns and address potential issues before they become major problems. To recap, stay on top of your daily, weekly, and monthly tasks and start that journal. It only takes a few minutes, and the payoff is huge. If this helped you, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Fred's No Frills videos for more real-world tips without the fluff.